Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Salesforce Certified Administrator Training, Lecture 9. In this lecture, we will learn about AppExchange and app customization, exploring the Salesforce AppExchange, installing and managing apps from the AppExchange, customizing and extending Salesforce apps, introduction to Salesforce App Builder, creating custom apps on the AppExchange, conclusion. Exploring the Salesforce AppExchange. The Salesforce AppExchange is a marketplace for business apps that can help you extend the functionality of your Salesforce instance. With over 5,000 apps available on the platform, there's no shortage of options to choose from. Whether you're looking for apps, improve your sales and marketing efforts, streamline your customer service processes, or automate your workflows, the Salesforce AppExchange has something for everyone. And with many of the apps offering free trials or freemium models, it's easy to try before you buy. Installing and managing apps from the AppExchange. To install and manage apps from the Salesforce AppExchange, first navigate to the AppExchange homepage. From there, you can browse through the various categories of apps or search for a specific app by name or keyword. Once you find an app that you are interested in, click on its listing to view more information. Here, you can read reviews, see screenshots, and check compatibility with your Salesforce edition. To install the app, simply click the Get It Now button and follow the prompts. Customizing and extending Salesforce apps. Customizing and extending Salesforce apps is a powerful way to meet specific business needs. By leveraging the platform's flexibility, businesses can create custom workflows, fields, and page layouts that align with their unique processes. For example, a sales team might customize their Salesforce app to include additional fields for tracking leads or opportunities. Or a service team might create custom workflows for managing customer support tickets. The possibilities of customization are endless, but it's important to approach it strategically. Customizations should be made with scalability and maintenance in mind. It's also important to consider the impact on other parts of the system and ensure that customizations don't negatively affect overall performance. With careful planning and execution, however, customizing Salesforce apps can lead to significant improvements in productivity and efficiency. Introduction to Salesforce App Builder. The Salesforce App Builder is a powerful tool that allows users to create custom applications without any coding knowledge. With its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, building an app has never been easier. The App Builder provides a wide range of pre-built components that can be easily added to an app, including buttons, forms, and tables. Users can also customize the look and feel of their app by selecting from a variety of themes and styles. Creating custom apps on the AppExchange. Creating custom apps on the Salesforce AppExchange is a simple and straightforward process. First, identify the business need that the app will address. Next, use the Salesforce App Builder to create the app's user interface and functionality. Then, test the Creating Custom Apps on the AppExchange app to ensure it meets the necessary requirements. Finally, publish the app on the AppExchange to make it available to other Salesforce users. The benefits of publishing an app on the Salesforce AppExchange are numerous. Not only does it provide exposure for the app, but it also allows for easy distribution and installation by other Salesforce users. Additionally, the AppExchange provides a platform for monetizing the app through licensing and subscriptions. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Salesforce AppExchange is a powerful platform that offers a wide range of apps to enhance your Salesforce experience. From project management to marketing automation, there are countless options available to meet your business needs. By installing and customizing these apps, you can streamline your workflow and maximize productivity. And if you can't find an app that meets your specific needs, you can even create your own custom app using the intuitive drag-and-drop interface of the Salesforce App Builder. So don't hesitate to explore the Salesforce AppExchange and discover the many possibilities it has to offer. With a little creativity and some technical know-how, you can take your Salesforce experience to the next level.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.